it's not a rigid text where you're just thinking of that text, the emotion of the text, without actually thinking, well, let's think about the rationality behind it, the intellect behind it, the paradigm, because الشريعة مصلحة كلها. Sharia is all about ensuring people's rights, justices, and also considering the consequences that might actually affect people's deen, people's health, people's mental health, people's chastity, and people's wealth and property. To bring in al-maslaha, whether we're talking about the benefit for people's health, for people's wealth, for people's chastity, for people's mental health, all of these things must be taken in consideration, because if we don't take in consideration, then in that situation, there's no fiqh. Fiqh is all about taking in consideration all of these issues. Fiqh is about the verb faqaha actually means to comprehend, to understand. And that's why if somebody learned only one madhab, I've got a problem with that. Because when you learn fiqh and you learn the various madhab, it's amazing.